The Brave Little Squirrel. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there was a small squirrel named Nutty. Nutty was a happy squirrel. It loves to collect acorns and play with his friends. One sunny day, Nutty saw a big juicy acorn at the top of a tall tree. He really wanted that acorn. Nutty took a deep breath and started to climb the tree. He climbed and climbed, but when he was almost at the top, he looked down and he felt very scared. The tree was so tall. Nutty's legs began to shake. He wanted to climb down, but he also wanted the acorn. Just then, he remembered what his mom always told him. Be brave, Nutty. You can do it. Nutty took another deep breath. He closed his eyes and told himself, I can do it. I'm brave. Slowly, he opened his eyes and kept climbing. Finally, he reached the top of the tree and grabbed the acorn. He felt so proud and happy.